Hello, I'm Dr. Ann Child, Medical Director of the Marfan Trust. We are in the midst of Marfan Awareness Month, and I want to thank each and every one of you for being so engaged and spreading the word on Marfan syndrome in such brilliantly inventive ways. At the Trust, we've been sharing posts, stories, articles, and a webinar on managing symptoms in Marfan syndrome, including height, mental health, and medication. There is lots more to come, so do stay tuned and follow our social media pages. Meantime, I have a favor to ask. For those of you who are best or family friends of the Trust, may I take this opportunity to say thank you. You are helping to secure our future by committing to a small payment of £3 per month. I just wonder if there are any more of you out there amongst our supporters who would consider becoming a paying member of the Trust. We are so busy, and our members fund our medical helpline, social media activities, drop-ins, and literature publications, and also our research in the laboratory. Future plans will be revealed next week when we publish an interview with our scientist, Dr. Jose Aragon Martin. We would love to expand our Marfan family, so do please consider joining the Trust. A link is provided on the next screen. Thank you for all that you do, and happy Awareness Month.